Hi guys, in today's video I actually want to do an unboxing. This is something that I wanted to get around Christmas, so I saved up some extra money and I finally bought it, and I'm so excited because it's something that's been on my list for a while, thanks to Kelly and YouTube and everybody I follow who has this item. It is from Louis Vuitton. Can you guys guess what it is? It's actually not an SLG or a handbag. It's a scarf. And here is the box. I actually purchased this online just because you have to be home to sign for purchases. So I purchased a lot of my things online and have them shipped to the store when I want to guarantee that they'll have stock in it, or especially because of this type of item. So here is the string. Here is the box. I feel like stuff is falling out. Flip top, and let's go through the contents. So first, they provided me with some fragrance samples. The first one I actually asked for when I went in store today to pick it up is the Rose de Vence fragrance, which is so amazing. I think I'm gonna have to buy that because I literally love the way it smells. It's very light, but it's awesome. And then the other two fragrance samples I got, one is Turblesines. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna like the way that smells. And the other is Mille Fou. I don't know, I don't speak French, but I also did hear that Louis Vuitton is coming out with some newer fragrances this year. I hope they're light because I don't tend to like a lot of their heavier scents. And then I just got a little booklet about the Louis Vuitton scents. I have my receipt in here. I have a return voucher from online. I know because I order stuff online. And then I also have a gift note because I wrote myself a note. I tend to do that because why not? And okay, stuff is falling everywhere. This box is huge, but yeah, so this is the item. I got the Monogram shawl. Let's put this box away. So, let's put it over here. So, this is the Louis Vuitton Monogram shawl. It is something that has been on my wish list for a couple of months. It is so gorgeous. The one thing that I will say, you guys, if you're wanting this shawl, buy it online, because when I went into the Louis Vuitton in Lenox here in Atlanta, the one that they had on display, which was the last one, had snags on it. And if you know anything about the Louis Vuitton Monogram shawls, it's that they're very soft, they're made of silk, and they tend to snag a lot. So I wanted to ensure that since I'm buying something that's this costly, it at least needs to be perfect when I buy it. So my sales associate said, yeah, just go ahead and buy it online, because if we do a ship from another store, there's a potential that it will just be snagged as well. So I would say buy your shawls online. So this is a rather large shawl. This is it doubled over. Can you guys see? It is huge. Now let me show you the way that I'm gonna wear this. And the funny thing is, when I told all my friends besides Kelly, because we're here and we get it, but when I told everybody else I was getting this shawl slash scarf, they were like, the season is changing, why are you getting it? And I'm like, you don't understand, this is more than just a scarf, it's a shawl, and it's actually a very versatile piece. So let me show you how I'm going to wear it. It's gonna be hard trying to do this sitting down. So I'm basically folding it halfway over into a triangle. And I'm grabbing the longest side of it. This scarf is so big, you guys. And I'm putting it in front of me. I'm putting both of the ties on the side of me. And then putting it under kind of like the bib. So let me see if I can stand up a little and show you guys. So this is how I'm going to wear it. Now, I will say that this is not something that you're going to wear to keep yourself very warm if it's cold outside. To me, it's more of a fashion statement. I love black, which is why I got it in black, and I love scarves. I don't have a lot of scarves that are this large and triangular that you can wear like this, so I figured this will be something good to have. Also, if you're a Louis Vuitton collector like me, this is something that I feel like you just have to have in your collection. It looks so chic, and I like that it's Louis Vuitton, but because of the color, it's kind of subtle and it doesn't scream I'm luxury and I'm expensive, so I really like that. Another way that I'll be wearing this is still doubled over. Hat. Is still doubled over, but wearing it as like a shawl. So I would wear it more like this if I'm going out at night and it's going to be a little chilly, or if I'm going to the movies, or if I'm on an airplane, because this is very thin, but it also does keep you relatively warm, and I think this will be perfect. You can crumble it up in the top of your bag and your tote, and you can travel with it very easily. So one thing that I will say is, because it's prone to snags, if you get this scarf, it's not something that I would wear with a lot of jewelry unless you don't mind it getting snagged. I think I would probably be rather irritated if I got a lot of snags on this. So I'm going to wear this just with some stud earrings and basic outfits. And I'm probably going to keep it folded in a triangle, because that's how I'm gonna wear it. So yeah, I just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because you did say that you liked them. I am going to space it out though, because I don't want to give you guys too many unboxings. It kind of looks like a flag now, but this is an item that I was really excited to get. So I will be sure to link this down below, and I will do a wear and tear update on this, because I know the more people wear it, the worse condition it looks. And that's honestly true of my other Louis Vuitton scarf that I have. That would be the Logomania scarf, which is an all wool. Is it all wool or mainly wool? But it gets like fuzzies on it and it drives me crazy. But I love it, and that one really keeps you warm. So if you live in a cold climate, the Louis Vuitton Logomania scarf will be great for you. I'll insert a picture right here. But this, I think, will be great for anybody no matter where you live. I think it's a very functional and versatile piece. Do I think it's worth it right now? Absolutely yes. And I probably am gonna get it in a couple more colors, definitely like a nudie color, and then maybe a pop of color. So yeah, I will be sure to link this product down below. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.